Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix overheating battery on Sony Xperia device. Well, let's get to the tutorial. If the device you are using heats up quickly, and then you can turn off active features that are not being used, like this. Moreover, if you enable always on your device, you can turn it off like this. Okay, open the settings on your device, and then click Appearance, and select the third option. After that, click the first option here, and turn it off like this. And then, the next step, you can go to the above phone menu, and enable the developer option by tapping the build number 7 times. Well, after that here you can go back and select System Options, and then here you can click Advanced, and select Developer Options. Okay, after that, please scroll down, and then you can click on Background Process Limit. Okay, here please turn it off like this, and then your device will not heat up when used. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix overheating battery on Sony Xperia device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.